How's y'all's popping this D about to react to this vid. This is the chicken shop date with Nella Rose. I feel like this is about to be jokes because Nella Rose is pretty funny and this awkward chicken shop date girl is awkwardly kind of funny as well. So yeah, we're gonna see how their little date goes. Let's watch.
Hi Nella Rose.
Hi Media.
Or should I say Nella Rose?
Girl.
Thank you.
I don't know what she's about to do. I feel like it's some weird shit.
I'm the chef out of all my friends, so I cook for everyone.
Right, okay. Would you ever cook on a date?
No, I don't think I would. Just take me out.
Right,
Why am I cooking for you? Maybe if you're my husband, but if you're not my husband, why am I cooking for you? Scary. You don't do that kind of stuff.
I can't cook, so.
That's absolutely fine. How do you?
Are you a beer drinker?
Oh, God forbid we don't do that sort of ghetto stuff over here. Oh, no.
No beer.
No beer.
I don't like beer either.
And you have to take lots of it. Like, why would you drink a pint of anything? So my favorite accent to do is the French accent because when I came to this country, I genuinely sounded like this. And it was very, very embarrassing for me. So I had to watch Tracy Beaker. I had to watch a lot of Ant Deck and Art Attack and, you know, EastEnders. And I got rid of my accent. And now I'm a bad bitch, period.
I'm a bad bitch.
Yeah, say I'm a bad bitch.
I'm a bad bitch.
Because you're a bad bitch.
I'm a bit bit. I'm a bit bit. I'm a bit bit.
How do you lose your English mid-sentence like this? I don't understand.
I'm a bit bit.
You're a bit bull. That's absolutely fine. We can both be bit bulls.
Cool. What is the difference between like being embarrassed and being embarrassed?
So being embarrassed is like, oh, I can't believe that just happened to me. And then being embarrassed, that's like, I actually want the world to open up and swallow me open. Like, I don't want to be here anymore. That's being embarrassed.
What's your favourite dance move?
Literally.
Oh my god. Both of y'all are cringy.
You need to do that properly. So, throw it up. Like, just go, phew.
Phew.
And then,
Phew.
that's absolutely fine. You know what?
That's nice watch.
Great job. Blow kiss. Babe, you know when you
What?
give someone a kiss,
What?
it's supposed to be seductive. You look like a bird.
Why should she tell her to blow a kiss in the first place? Do y'all got any
Do you
good
have any
chicken
words of wisdom?
in the UK? Let me know. That was honest.
Would you say shaking your ass? Shaking your ass on a yacht. Shaking your ass.
Shaking your arse.
Shaking your ass on a yacht in Dubai is words of wisdom? Yeah. Okay, sorry. Yeah.
That's what she said?
So, how many boyfriends do you have?
I have
Relationship with the
I have
Lord.
0 boyfriends.
Okay,
That's
do you
what she
all?
said.
Do you remember that you have none? What's your type?
I don't have a physical type. Oh, tell a lie. I do have a physical type. But let me just process my nuggets, please. The only thing is about me is I like chubby guys.
Did you used to fancy chunks?
No, that's my brother. No.
Do chunks really talk about me ever? Do they talk about me like in a hello?
I saw you dated them.
Yeah, I know. That's what I was saying.
Yeah. So.
Did they talk about me when you were with them?
Never.
Never. You just shocked yourself.
Not once.
Not once. What's your favourite colour?
My favourite colour is yellow. This is annoying. You're annoying.
Your favourite colour is what?
Yellow.
Yellow. Well, funny you say that. You're a risky lady. Do you live life on the edge?
I love living life on the edge. What are you talking about?
What you mean?
I love it too.
Thank you.
Are you ever worried you're going to fall off the edge?
No.
Because you got people around you
Mm-hmm.
to hold you back.
Back?
To
No.
hold, no,
To hold me back.
to hold you, to hold you down.
Sis.
Not back.
Yeah.
You don't want to be held back. You want to be held down.
Who's paying for this, by the way?
I paid.
Oh. A woman that takes charge, dirty girl. Thank you. Appreciate it.
You're welcome.
You know you've never shot your shot and not got in it.
Who, me?
You've dated every dirty girl. You cheeky little dirty girl, yeah.
What are you talking
You've
about?
dated half of the rap scene. They're all millionaires, aren't they?
Well, sorry, but you got to shoot your shot because you miss 100% of the shots you don't take.
You know what? Bars. Cheers. Nugget cheers.
I do not look good. It look dry and
Flavors.
unseasoned. But alright, yeah, I'll say y'all like it, I guess. Every time I see these chicken shop dates, I always question how good the chicken actually is because it never looks good. You can just look at some chicken and be like, this doesn't look like it's hitting. But hey, they seem to fuck with it. So, you know, maybe there's more than what meets the eye with this chicken that appears on this show. And I feel like they go to different places every time, but none of the chicken looks good on any of the episodes. Let me know, though, if there's good chicken in the UK, because I've heard the food is trash. But anyway, y'all let me know what y'all thought, though. Let me know what other videos you want to watch, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.